Meaning of incurable.
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 Incurable. The term incurable refers to a condition or disease that cannot be treated or cured completely, or for which there are no known effective treatments. Incurable diseases may continue to worsen over time, causing significant physical and emotional distress for the affected individual and their loved ones. Despite advances in medical research and technology, certain conditions remain incurable, such as some forms of cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. Incurable conditions often require ongoing symptom management and supportive care to alleviate discomfort and maintain quality of life. However, it is important to note that research efforts are ongoing, and new treatments may become available in the future.